Persistent heavy rainfall has continued to batter southern Spain for a third consecutive week, leaving at least 2 people missing and prompting widespread evacuations across the region. The ongoing severe weather has significantly impacted communities in Andalusia, particularly in the provinces of Malaga and Seville, where authorities have issued urgent warnings and undertaken extensive rescue efforts.
Madre mía, señor. La que está cayendo en un momento, mira la furgoneta.
Authorities in Seville are conducting a large-scale search operation for 2 individuals reported missing after attempting to cross a swollen ravine. Their vehicle was discovered overturned near the regional capital, raising fears that they may have been swept away by strong currents. Emergency services are working alongside local volunteers to comb the area, though adverse conditions continue to hamper their efforts. The regional president of Andalusia urged residents to take extreme precautions, warning that floodwaters remain dangerous even when rainfall appears to have eased. Please be very careful, even if the rain stops. Crossing a stream is highly dangerous, Moreno stated during a press conference. In Malaga province, authorities evacuated 368 families as a preventive measure amid rising flood risks. The town of Cartama was particularly affected, with emergency responders rescuing approximately 20 residents and their pets from flooded homes. Emergency shelters have been established to accommodate displaced families, while social services have been mobilized to provide food, clothing, and medical assistance. The Spanish Civil Protection Agency continues to monitor the situation closely, deploying additional resources to ensure swift response capabilities in vulnerable areas. Further east in Murcia's coastal town of Aguilas, emergency services rescued 9 individuals who became trapped inside their vehicles in a flooded ravine. Several boats were also caught in storm surges, prompting complex water rescue operations by Spain's Maritime Safety and Rescue Agency. Authorities have stressed the importance of avoiding coastal areas and low-lying regions prone to flash flooding during the ongoing severe weather. Spain's infrastructure has faced mounting pressure as floodwaters have disrupted transportation networks and placed strain on drainage systems. Numerous roads remain closed across affected provinces, while rail services have experienced delays and cancellations. On a positive note, the prolonged rainfall has significantly improved Spain's reservoir levels. Data from the Spanish Ministry for Ecological Transition indicates that national reservoir capacity has risen to 65.6%, exceeding the 10-year average. In some regions, controlled water releases from dams have been initiated to prevent overflow risks. The Spanish Meteorological Agency has maintained orange and yellow weather warnings across much of southern and eastern Spain, cautioning residents about ongoing flood risks, strong winds, and potential landslides. In the wake of these weather events, community solidarity has emerged strongly. Residents have formed volunteer groups to assist with sandbagging, debris removal, and supporting displaced individuals. Meteorologists predict that while rainfall intensity may decrease in the coming days, saturated ground conditions mean flood risks will persist. Authorities remain on high alert, urging residents to remain vigilant and prioritize personal safety. For ongoing updates, residents are encouraged to monitor official channels, including EMID advisories and local emergency services announcements.
Pues sí, es normal que haya